Good day! Do you know how to divide a mixed number by a mixed number? That will be our lesson today. Let's say we have 10 and a half divided by 2 and 3/4. First step is to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Always copy the denominator. Denominator times the whole number plus the numerator This is now the improper fraction of the mixed number. Let's convert the other mixed number. Let's convert 2 and 3/4 into improper fraction. Write the denominator 4. Let's multiply denominator times the whole number plus the numerator 3. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3. Let's copy the denominator. 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. This is now the improper fraction of 2 and 3/4. When you are dividing a fraction by another fraction, you should always find the reciprocal of that fraction. 11/4 will become 4/11. Change the division sign into multiplication sign. Now, let's proceed with multiplication. 21 times 4 is 84. 2 times 11 is equal to 22. Now, let's convert 84 over 22nd into a mixed number. The fractional part 18 over 22nd can still be reduced into its lowest term. Both numerator and denominator is divisible by 2. And this is the final answer. Other way of solving multiplication of fractions is cancellation. Denominator 2 and numerator 4 is divisible by 2. Now, let's multiply. 21 times 2 is equal to 42. 1 times 11 is 11. Let's convert 42 over 11 into mixed fraction. In this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.